The structure browser can be used to explore your drawing in different ways, as it is completely customizable. To create a custom configuration, click on the top part of the structure panel. First, save as a custom configuration file. You can filter, group, and sort on properties. Let's take a look at the grouping. Each group corresponds with a sublevel in the tree. You can delete properties from the configuration by selecting them and clicking the Delete button. Let's accept and see what the tree looks like now. Moving a property up or down the list can be done using the arrows. Let's sort the elements on length. Custom properties can be used as well to customize the structure browser. The possibilities are endless.